Oh my god, y'all, like seriously, I tried to put cat ears on just to look cute. But anyways, you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But wait a minute, let me put some boom on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates family. Make sure you thumbs up this video, you guys. And this is a totally different intro because literally as I was editing this video, I was like, oh my god, I forgot to do the intro. Side note, you guys, this was a slime video that was requested in the live. Okay, so you guys wanted me to remake a edible cloud slime. So I have ASMR on the brain, so I'm really wanting to say ASMR, but my bad. So you guys wanted me to recreate an edible cloud slime, so I kind of did that. I really hope you guys like this recipe, and I'm going to eat it, so go watch the video. So now I'm going to teach you how to make cloud cream slime. We're going to start with a 16-ounce package of Jet Puff marshmallows. However, you can use the generic blend if you like. The reason why they're sticky is because it's 110 degrees in Arizona, y'all, and it's hot. They melted in the car. Now we're going to put oil over it. I used a tablespoon. We melted in the microwave for 30 seconds or until your marshmallows are melted. Do not make it too hot. So now you just want to mix in all that oil. You can use anywhere between 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil for this cloud cream edible slime. So just mix all that oil in until it is officially combined, you guys. After it's combined, now we're going to add powdered sugar. So this is probably a cup of powdered sugar I'm mixing in. Side note, I'm just waiting till it's not as sticky, so I'm just mixing it into it's combined. So I'm really essentially teaching you guys how to make a marshmallow slime. So this is pretty much a marshmallow slime. A 16-ounce bag of marshmallows, about a quarter cup to a half a cup of oil, and then some powdered sugar, probably 2 to 3 cups of powdered sugar until it's not sticky anymore. Now we're going to knead in that powdered sugar and that oil. Once we kneaded it in, we're going to add a little more oil to the top of it, and I'm using olive oil because I'm on a budget, y'all. So now we're going to use our jello. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of jello. And now we're going to mix in gelatin with that. So I'm going to use, all in all, I use 4 packets of gelatin, but I edited out the other 2 packets I used, but I did use 4 packs of gelatin. So you just want to mix it in until it's combined. And then another packet you want to mix in until it's combined. And then once you've mixed it in, then you want to add your water. So I used about 3 tablespoons of water, and then I mixed it in. Now I'm going to set it down and let it bloom. However, for some of you guys who don't want to wait until it's bloomed, you can just add 2 more packets of gelatin, which I did. So I added 4 packs, and this is what it looks like. Doesn't it look like instant snow? Look at it. So now that we did that, we're going to add just a little more water to make it look like real instant snow, sort of, or like the creamy snow texture that you would get from cloud cream glue. And I want to see if this works with edible starburst, you guys. I'm kind of curious, but look at it. Doesn't it look like instant snow? So now what we're going to do is I'm going to fix the camera and pray I didn't get it messy. And now we're going to add this to our edible marshmallow slime. So you're just going to add it and you're going to mix it in. Now this will be a little sticky, but you still want to mix it in until you get like that cloud creamy type of slime. Now I didn't want to add all the jello in with the cloud creamy slime because I did not want it to sort of like mess up. I still wanted it to be more slime. So as you can see, doesn't it look like cloud slime? Isn't it cool? There's a lot of light, so I'm going to turn the light down just a little bit so you guys can see that it really looks like cloud cream. Look at it. Oh my god, we made edible cloud cream slime, you guys. Look at this. This is so amazing, Ohana, but this is really sticky. So just be careful, and the jello will get everywhere, just like when you have cloud slime. So I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates. I hope you enjoy our edible cloud cream slime, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys! Okay, you guys, so now we're about to eat the slime. So I'm about to show you guys the slime right now. Oh my god. So after a day, this is what the cloud slime looks like. I swear, you know what it smells like, you guys? It smells like fruity cocoa, wait, Captain Crunch Fruity Crunch cereal. So I'm gonna have just a little bit. Oh my god, it tastes like that too. Look at how it looks, you guys. It's really good. I really hoped you So you guys, I really hoped you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the emoji game if you would like to be a part of Shout Out Tuesday. And I'm sorry for this intro wasn't as hype as my normal intros, but I literally forgot to do an intro. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah. So in this episode of the emoji game, you have to guess all these emojis right if you would like to be a part of our Shout Out Tuesday family. In our Shout Out Tuesday family, if you get all these emojis right, you get a shout out on my Snapchat, my Instagram, and in my video I do Tuesday, as well as the live streams. So that's how you get a shout out, you guys, for Shout Out Tuesday. So let's get started. Also, you have to make sure you're following me on Instagram and Snapchat as well, so you can be a part of the emoji game. So you boys, let's get started. In this episode, I want 5 pigs, 1 tree, 2 roses, 3 hearts, and I want those hearts to be blue, yellow, and blue. 1 house, 2 doggies, 3 babies, 1 pregnant mama. I want a man running. He needs to be running. I want 2 cakes, 1 celebration balloon. I want dollars. I want a cloud, C-L-O-U-D. I also want a beach. And last but not least, I want a horse and a rainbow. So good luck, and I hope you got all those emoji rights. Emoji rights. I hope you got all those emoji rights. Good luck, and I'll see you for Shout Out Tuesday.